Hey everybody, welcome back to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to do a really fun unboxing. What I have here is an amazing accessory for the Gozney Arc XL pizza oven. And this is from Nu2U products out of Canada. So brand new. I'm going to get this open. I am very excited. Get that open. Oh, nice packaging. There we go. A little note from the company about their products right here. And then their signature little bubbles here. We'll get all these out. You can see how well this has been packaged. So this here is the little stand for this accessory. We'll get the rest of it out here. And this here is a baffle for the oven, and this here is going to save you lots of money on propane. So I've just unbagged everything so we can go through this video a little bit quicker. What's nice about this company is that they've individually wrapped each piece so it doesn't get scratched during transit. So this here is the stand. So once this is very hot coming off of your oven, you've got a very safe place to place this after you have used it. And then you have the handle. You have a very heavy duty handle here with an amazing little holding area which is certified for restaurant standards. So what's really nice about this product is that safety was really at the forefront when designing this product. So on the handle itself you have a square here, there's a square here, corresponding square, and the bolt also has a square piece which locks everything together, and this ensures that the handle does not twist. So you get the bolt through here and then through here, and then you just start loading up your washers. So you get everything on. There's even a lock washer here, and then your wing nut. So you get all of that together. And you can only just use your hand. You don't need any tools for this. So just tighten it down and look at this. And this is perfect now. Look at this. This will not move. So there we go. Really nice. And that there is it. So then you take it, and you can put it right there. And you can see that it does not touch the table. I'll just move all of the stuff out. So when you are finished, you bring it, place it down, and both ends are elevated from your work surface, so they're not going to burn your table. And then heading outside, let's see how nice this heat baffle fits in the mouth of the Gozney Arc XL pizza oven. So you can see how nice that slides into place. And then we'll remove it because I want to show you another angle. So to use the heat baffle, you simply slide it into the mouth of the pizza oven, and then you just leave it there while your oven is preheating. If you're making multiple pizzas, after you remove the first pizza, simply reinsert the baffle. That will result in a faster heat up time, and of course, you'll be using less propane. So this amazing heat baffle from Nu2U products is available on Amazon Canada, Amazon USA, and also their website. I'll leave links to the product information down underneath this video in the description box. So that's it for this really fun video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish, and if you're on Facebook, I'm also over there at BakeLikeAPro. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.